Here we go.
So, checking. Okay, the microphone now is working. It was not actually working, guys. So, asante. So, so I can see this is a range that I drew actually here. The CBDR was is 28 pips. The Asian session not yet measured, but so guys, I'm still looking at the trade that I said I was gonna take today. So how it's looking, and I'm gonna tell you why I was thinking I was gonna trade today despite everything that I said. So looking at this market, this trade was actually based essentially on the USDX. So what am I saying? So like on this particular day, the yesterday actually, the dollar index came, swept the low, the stop losses above this low, and filled in this gap. But as you can see, the body of this candle is above this low here and above this. So that was going to be a good for a buy. And when I was looking at the euro dollar at the same time, a minute, the dollar, the euro dollar, the fiber swept the stop losses above this high, and I had this liquidity void here and a fair value gap here. The bodies are well below this one, so I was looking for a short. And when I'm looking at the forward chart, it was still good. The bodies of the candles were below the 50% level, the graded level of that bearish order block. And looking at the cable still, the cable did not sweep the liquidity above this high, but I was still looking for it to go low. So yes, and you see I had a fair value gap here on the forward chart. So guys, I might have to take a trade because this was so fucking good. The thing is that I didn't know if I was going to get an entry, and you can see it's around my current time is almost 10 minutes to 10. So, and I was my model is that I look for accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. So for my short, this is my accumulation zone, this CBDR and this which is 36 pips, this 36 pips. Obviously, I was looking for manipulation above here. Then as the news come out, because I have CPI in the next 10 minutes. So, and then so as we are looking at this, so we didn't get any manipulation. So probably I'm not getting an entry. So what I'm doing, I was looking for manipulation above, sweeping ideally above these highs. Then I get in here before the 10 a.m. before the news comes out actually, and then aim for this level. But as you can see, I have not got an entry because I have to look at the time of day too. So if at 10 I get the manipulation above here, I might consider getting in for a short if the USDX is still looking good, but if not, shit, my USDA, but if not, then I'm not gonna enter here. Still in the euro, no entry too. See, my objectives are almost being met. and no manipulation. So guys, I think I'm gonna be staying out of this trade entry, guys. Look at like immediately the news came out. Look at how it reacted. Fuck. Like it met all my objectives. Look, guys. Shit. This was second take profit here. My last take profit actually at this place, man. No entry, Jesus, no entry, man. But man. Fuck. But sometimes, man, you gotta follow your plan. You gotta follow your plan. You gotta follow your model. See, yeah, you gotta follow your plan and model, man. Look at fuck, man. Not getting any entry, Jesus. So, man, that always happens. It happened to me, and it happens a lot of times in the market. I have to look for manipulation zone. I can't trade the, you see, like I can't trade the delayed protraction. Actually, today we're not gonna see a protraction or a retracement unless in the New York session. Why? Because exactly at 0 GMT, you can see that this thing started declining. So that means it's gonna continue doing that. It's gonna be a big day range. But no entry, guys. And I guessed it yesterday. I guessed it that I was not gonna have an entry. I typed it in my WhatsApp. I said if I was going to get an entry, I'm gonna enter, but I'm not gonna force an entry, guys. Ah, fuck, man. Actually, I was actually editing the video before the news came out, before I post, for you guys to see. But no entry, guys. No entry. Shit. No entry at all. No entry. Okay. Let's see. But I'm thinking the whole week is probably gonna be bearish. But the long term for the cable and the fiber, but the long term view, like next 3 to 4 months, I'm looking for a bullish scenario. So, but no trades December unless the markets actually convince me to do them. Okay, so let me see at the euro. Fuck, this is the GBP. Shit. Okay. So these guys who see the stop losses around here swept. I would have met my target like at 10 a.m. guys. Like, okay, no high expectations, but this would be my first. Okay, I would take something off here, and then I would look for another, like my second, but no entry, guys. And I told you yesterday if I was gonna